I've never used HPLC before, so I was quite interested to come down, have a go of the machines, and kind of learn a bit about HPLC, see how I can integrate that back at our unit. Certainly something we'll be looking to hopefully bring in the future.
I'm doing a course at the moment called the Scientist Training Programme, and as part of it, there's other specialities like quality control, production. And as part of quality control, it's to look at HPLC. So I wanted to learn more about HPLC, but also in the radiation field as well.
I've done quite a lot of networking today, so to meet the other people from different facilities and what they're looking at doing. So it's been really useful from that point of view as well.
100% come down and do it. I've took quite a lot from today. I'm like a sponge, I tend to absorb quite a lot anyways.
I would recommend it to others. 1, for the relationship with LabLogic, 2, for the networking, and 3, for the knowledge.
I would definitely say if they have no good background in HPLC, definitely come here because you get a more of an in-depth analysis of how HPLC works and things like that. Yeah.